How to make a booklet on Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a booklet on Canva. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we need to head over to your browser, and once you're here, you need to type canva.com in the search bar. This will take you to the official Canva website. Now, in the search for million templates, you need to go ahead and search for booklets. And once you have done that, you can see the different templates that it has given to us. You can simply go ahead and choose any booklet template that you want. Here, I'll be choosing this one. Once you have chosen your booklet template, you need to simply go ahead and click on Customize this template. Now that you are here, you can go ahead and customize your template. You can add the elements that you want over here, and then you can make the adjustment as much as you want. Here, I'll go ahead and remove this title and add the title of my own. Now from here you can go ahead and adjust the text color. If you don't like it, we can change it to other colors. Let's say I want to change it to this color. You can go ahead and increase the font size if you want, or if you want it, you can simply go ahead and reduce the font size. From here you can go ahead and change the font that you want. Here I'll be keeping it to this font, and I'll change this to this font as well. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and remove this element if you don't want it. Here you can add another elements that you want. Let's go to elements option, and from here we can go ahead and search for books. From here you can choose the books that you want. You can go to graphics, and from here you can choose the book icon. You can simply drag and drop it over here. And from once you have done that, you can go ahead and reduce the size. Now, as you can see that I have made some adjustments over here. You can go ahead and customize it on your own. And once you have done that, once your booklet is ready, you can go ahead and click on share icon over here. And from here, you can simply go ahead and download the booklet. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.